am back with a new video. Today is all about these knotless braids. Even though I learned how to do it better halfway through, but yeah, super flat. Do you see this? Super flat. Apparently there's a way to braid hair. My mom is talking about how I braid upside down, and I do notice the difference. Like when I touch some of them, like they would look better like this way. I don't know if I'm making any sense. Let me show you the back. This is how long it is. What I love about this is just so flat. The first time I did the knotless braids, they were alright. It was really something that I was just practicing, and they were really big parts with not a lot of hair. But this time, since the beauty supply store is open, I was able to get hair. If you want to see how I achieve these braids and my little trick to make them look flat and not bumpy like some of them that I've done, keep on watching. Okay, halfway through me braiding this hair, I finally understand why the roots were looking so bulky. So the trick to it all, and I was filming thinking I was doing something great. The trick to it all, each little piece has to be really tiny for it to be knotless. I'm not gonna redo the ones in the back, okay? If you can see, like, this one super thin and then becomes super bulky. The reason why is because I was putting a lot of hair to begin with. I'm sharing the secrets. I don't think I haven't found a video that actually explains how the first pieces that you put in should be very tiny. This is how tiny the pieces are. I honestly don't remember how long this look took me to do, but I do remember, however, I did not braid the ends all the way through. I left it for the next day. I just wanted to put all these extensions in. So I remember it took a bit of my time, but totally worth it. Totally worth it. I added the extensions 2 different ways. I did it with braiding my own hair for about 1 inch and then adding the extensions, but I actually preferred just starting the braid right away with the extensions. I found that it looked a bit nicer. one thing that I really want to mention, the Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold. Awesome. One thing that I love about this, when you put any other product, after a certain while, your fingers feel like greasy oil. This one does not do it. I am truly impressed with this. Love it, love it, love it. So this is gonna be my new go-to for braiding. I'm sorry, Shine and Jam gel. It's good. I'm not gonna say it's not good, but it does have that feeling. You know what I'm talking about. But this one, honestly, look at my parts. My parts have never looked that good. Like, look at these parts. I don't ever remember my friend putting mousse on top of my hair, but a lot of YouTubers out there put mousse at the end. And I'm like, I want to put mousse too. Next time I am going to use some braids that are longer because these are almost the length of my hair, so I won't be able to cut and unbraid. This one said that it was 42 inches, but I think it's 42 inches like lengthwise. So I am next time going to do this, but even longer. Maybe I'll film it, maybe I won't, I don't know. But yeah, another thing I don't so much like about the expressions, the ends. Look, I remember using the expressions when they were like 80 feet long and always every time I would, you know, trim the ends, they just look blunt. I don't know. Next time I probably won't use the expressions here that I use. It was feathered, by the way, but I'm not feeling those ends. Other than that, these braids are fantastic. Some people say that, you know, with knotless braids you can flip them over anytime. You know what, you know, no, not yet, but I will be trying other styles, but like it's not ready yet, you know, like give me a couple of days. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the final look of these braids. Let me know if my trick does help you to have those flat, and I really hope to see you on the next one. Bye.